Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to yourself. You're gonna do this to yourself. Hey! What the fuck? Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. All right, stop. Let me go. You're son. Get the fuck out of here. Stop. Drop the mother.
In this dramatic body cam footage, officers from the Oswego County Sheriff's Office and New York State Police respond to what was supposed to be a routine welfare check at a home in Constantia, New York. Their mission: ensure the safety of a 3-year-old child and serve an order of protection against the child's father, 32-year-old Miles Dignayan. But what begins as a child custody intervention quickly turns violent when Dignayan refuses to cooperate and suddenly attacks an officer with a heavy steel object, prompting a swift and deadly response by law enforcement. On March 21, 2025, members of the Oswego County Sheriff's Office and New York State Police arrive at a residence in Constantia to carry out a welfare check and serve a protective order against 32-year-old Miles Dignan. The order involves removing a 3-year-old child from Dignan's custody and placing the child with family members.
Especially your son in your hands, all right?
It's not going to happen. Come on.
All right, come on.
Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming. Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to yourself. You're gonna do this to yourself. Hey! What the fuck? Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. All right, stop. Let me go. You're son. Get the fuck out of here! Stop! Drop the mother!
As tensions rise, NYSP trooper Junila Sabari successfully manages to retrieve the child from Dignayan. But during the confrontation, Dignayan grabs a large steel C-clamp, measuring 7 by 17 inches and weighing 8 pounds, and violently strikes trooper Sabari in the head.
Control 20 units, just 34850, 64 shots fired, 34 Cook Road, there's help.
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Right there, your son. Keep going.
Oh, dude.
I called
Bro, you're shot. You stand me up.
You're shot. I gotta help you.
I gotta help you. Okay, just let me stand up.
No.
I'll roll over and help me stand up. You back up.
Hi, buddy. What are you doing? You okay? Can you stay over here for me?
Let me stand up.
Can you sit here, okay?
Stop. Get down. I'm gonna handcuff you. They were gonna send you. Call an ambulance.
I think they did.
340 Patrol. Do we have an ambulance responding?
Don't want to hurt you, bud.
Are you okay?
100%, dude. Never connect you with anything.
Alright, so turn it on, man. Stop, Corey. No, stop, dude.
I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. You gotta see what the hell they are.
Look at that tire. I put 5,000 miles on it like that. Feel it. That's fucking.
Oh, I can see it, man.
Well, I got your mom coming up. Take your son so you don't.
No, that's not happening. If you're gonna come here and tell me that, you guys can always.
You have to stay away over protection with him, dude.
Alright.
I don't want to get in a fight with you, especially with your son in your hands. All right.
It's not gonna happen.
Your mom's coming.
All right, come on. Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming.
All right.
Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to yourself.
Miles, dude.
Miles, stop, please.
got him. Oh, you fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. All right, stop. Let me go. You want to do fire? Corey, stop. Dude, stop now.
With the threat escalating and an officer already injured, Deputy Whitney fires 2 shots from his firearm, striking Dignian.
Can you just let me stand up? I'm not.
Short 28, training 4850, shots fired, 34 quick run. Here as well.
They got body cam. That would be enough. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Right in front of your son. I can't do it.
I know, dude.
I called
Oh,
you.
you're shot. Can you stand me up?
You're shot. I gotta help you.
No. Come on. Stop. Stop.
I'll go over you. I gotta help you.
Okay, just let me stand up.
Nope.
I'll roll over and help me stand up. You back
You
up.
can't hit me in the head with freaking seatbelt, dude. Definitely want to turn over.
Miles, roll over.
Hey, I gotta help you. Roll over.
Roll over.
Stop. Lay down.
Dude, let me stand up.
Lay down. Lay down, dude. Lay down.
Dude,
Stop.
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 Come on, you know that.
Stop. 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 I'm gonna handcuff you. They're gonna find you. Call an ambulance.
I think they did.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, roll over. Take it up. Okay. Don't want to hurt you, bud.
No, you okay?
100%, dude. You never flashed you with anything.
Alright, stand up, man. It's not great.
No, it's not me. Trying to be as gentle as I can, dude. You gotta see what the hell me out.
Officers secure the area and ensure the child is safely handed over to waiting family members. Dignian is transported to a local hospital, where he is pronounced dead. Trooper Sabari is treated for head injuries and is expected to make a full recovery. As required under New York law for any officer involved fatal shooting, the New York State Attorney General's office has taken over the investigation. Preliminary findings suggest that officers followed proper protocol, with the use of deadly force occurring only after a serious assault on a trooper and the failure of non-lethal options. The body cam footage and witness statements support the account that Dignian posed an immediate threat at the time he was shot. Deputy Whitney and the other involved officers have been placed on routine administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigation. No criminal charges have been filed against the officers at this time, and the child involved is now safe in the custody of relatives. The case remains under official review.